Morning guys, welcome back to another video. It is Thursday. It is officially Friday Junior, and right now I'm just packing Annalise lunch. She honestly only likes jelly in her sandwich. I'm like, that is all you like? She doesn't like peanut butter or any of that stuff. I just need to be mad. I have an appointment today to go and get my hair done, like cut, because I haven't had a trim since Easter. So I am up to, I need a trim. So anyways, today I'm going to take you guys with me throughout the entire day. It's going to be kind of like, I don't know what day it's going to be. What, I have so much crap in here. Okay, I'll take you a juice, so hard to do it in hand. A fruit cup, a snack, and some uvas. Ready for school.
It looks like you're going to go to school. Now get my lunch.
He's awake now, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush his teeth and all that stuff. So okay guys, so I am here at my appointment. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this hair. I'm not gonna cut it too much. I'm just gonna get a little trim because, you know, I won't go too short on my hair, but I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back from cutting my hair. I don't know if you can really tell. I needed a trim, you guys. I have not cut my hair in so long that I needed a trim, like really bad. So I got my trim. That's what I'm doing right now. I don't have any makeup on. I need to put some makeup on because I look like that. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna make to eat today. I think I'm gonna make like chicken salad or something. It's supposed to be like 100 today. It's 95. It's kind of hot. It's pretty hot. So yeah, so I'm gonna make some chicken salad for dinner.
Hi.
So she's at a escuela now. Tráete tu mochila. Trae la mochila. Guess what? She didn't even eat her lunch. No, you didn't.
I did.
Oh, look. My box is here. So I just got my BoxyCharm in the mail. I'm about to eat some lunch. I'm not gonna eat all of this. I packed this lunch for my husband. I wanted to show you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm. Usually I do one of these videos, like a beauty video, but this time around I'm really not super wowed by the products that came in the box. I thought I was gonna get a curling iron. I thought I was gonna get a curling wand, and I didn't. So that's why I was like, I ain't even gonna film it. Like, it ain't even worth filming. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got in here. So I'm gonna go down the list. First thing that's in here is this Violet Voss palette, and it's really pretty. I already saw it in it. It looks like this. It's so pretty. This retails for $29. I'm like so hungry. I made pasta and chicken yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna eat right now. And then I'm gonna make chicken salad right now. I'm gonna put cocer la gallina, el pollo, Anyway, so then the next thing in this box is the Dr. Brandt Hydra-Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this retails for $52. This is really small for the price. Like, look how small that is, and it's like, it's 1.7 ounces, 50 grams, so that's so small for it. Okay, the next thing that's in this box is the Hank and Henry black eyeliner, Blickety black eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so then the next thing that I got in this box is the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. So it's this one, and this one retails for $22. Is this a felt tip? Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. I don't know why I thought it was an eyeliner. Smells good. It looks a little too pink for me though. The next thing in this box is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. The Tarte, oh, I think this is the palette that my friend was talking about, and it's this one right here. This one retails for $45. Ooh, looks nice, huh? How the heck do you open this? This is really nice. So the next thing is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, and this retails for $49. Love skincare stuff, like skincare stuff. Send that to me, I love it. And it's this one right here. Cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's like shaped in a pineapple. Gives me SpongeBob vibes. What is it? This is a serum, a brightening serum, and smell it. Oh wow, this thing really smells like pineapple. That's cool. I like that. I like stuff like this. So two last things in this box is this Moda Studio 8-piece Pro Glam set, and this is a eyeshadow a brush set, and yeah, I love brushes, so, and that retails for what? Let me see how soft these are for them to be that much. Ooh, these are really soft. Oh shoot, I'm gonna put my chicken in there. This is really expensive, you guys. Look how much that is. Can you guys see that? $70 for this brush, for these brushes. That's expensive. Okay, that's really expensive, like, but it's a lot of them, so I don't know why I thought it was gonna be cheaper. Well, my videos are not videos if something does not fall. Okay, so the last thing in this box is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weight hair down. So it's for your hair, okay. And this retails for $30. Smells good. I'm gonna have to try this because I'm not really, like, I got a haircut today, but I don't know. Like, look, my hair's still kind of long, right? Still long. Anyways, I need to put my chicken to boil porque ya está hirviendo el agua, and I gotta go to work. Llegamos a la casa de mi madrecita linda. We are at my mom's house, and we're gonna
look at my shoes. You can't see them. Look.
You cannot see the shoes.
Look.
Yep, your shoes. Your high heels.
I love high heels.
She really does love high heels. She is such a princess. Like, okay, let's get off my kiddos.
I always do this. I always sit here.
Jálale, papi.
I always sit here. Let's go. Knock to the door.
A couple people have asked me already like what exactly I work in. Basically what I do is I am a therapist for individuals with autism. So I'm basically, I go to their homes and I have session with them, and they have to meet certain goals by a certain period of time. So that's kind of what I do. That's what I do. I love doing this. It's really rewarding seeing the kids achieve their goals. Like, you know, they start from like point A and then eventually they go to point B. So yeah, that's what I do. I am basically a behavioral instructor, a behavioral therapist for kids who have autism, or individuals, because they're not just all kids, it's a general. Oh my god, I look like super like death. I just picked up the kids from my mom's house and we are gonna go. We came to the park. I came to bring them for a little bit, but we're gonna go to the park, you guys. Come on.
Now we're gonna go in the park. You ready?
About to put Anali to sleep. I already took them a bath. Ned took a nap at my mom's house, like when I went to go pick him up. So he is not tired and he's probably not gonna go to sleep until maybe 10 or 11. So it's so funny because right now I was FaceTiming my friend Catherine and we were like trying to see what we had in our box, and I'm like, oh, I got this, and she got the freaking wand that I wanted. I was like, maybe I'll get it in like a future BoxyCharm, but it's all good. So anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me because I have the AC on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog that I wasn't gonna do, but I just decided to do it anyways. So
buenas noches.